Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. In this particular video, we are going to take a look at how to change Gmail ID name in Gmail application using your mobile phone. So it doesn't matter if you're using an Android phone or iPhone, the process is going to be same. Without wasting any time, we're going to start the video. But before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. So the very first thing you have to do is just go and look for Gmail application in your mobile phone. If you're using an Android phone, Gmail application is by default present in your phone. But if you're using an iPhone, you need to go to App Store, you need to download Gmail application, complete the sign-in process with your email ID, and then you're good to go. Once you find Gmail application, just simply open it. This will be the basic interface of your Gmail app. At the right hand side top corner, you will be able to check out your account or your profile image. Just simply tap on that and later on select Google account over here. Now once you select Google account, it will take you to Google account page. Over here you get multiple options. You can check out your name, you can check out your email ID, and there are few details over here. But in order to change your name, you just have to go to personal info option, and in that if you go down, you get an option of basic info. In that you can change your name, you can change your birth date, you have gender option as well. So to change your name, simply select this name option. Now on the next page, again you have to tap on name. If you want to add nickname, you can do that as well. But we want to change the name, so I have already selected name option over here. Now currently you can see my name is Pratik, and last name I have only entered my surname's initial. So let's try to enter full name over here. So once you enter the new name, after that just simply go down and select this save option. So now over here you can see we have successfully changed the name, and if I go back, if I go up, you can see the changes have been made over here as well. So yeah, this is how simple it is to change Gmail ID name using your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.